Ever walked down a bustling city street and been mesmerized by the vibrant glow of neon signs? Those iconic, hand-bent tubes of glowing gas add a unique charm to any space. But beyond their aesthetic appeal, a question lingers: are neon signs safe to use? Neon signs have a long and fascinating history, dating back to the late 19th century. Initially used for practical purposes like advertising, they quickly became cultural icons, symbolizing everything from classic diners to bustling cityscapes. But with the advent of more modern lighting technologies like LEDs, concerns have arisen about the safety and practicality of neon signs. Let's dive into the safety aspects. Electrical hazards. Neon signs operate on high voltages, posing a risk of electric shock. Improper installation or damage to the tubing can lead to dangerous electrical currents. It's crucial to have qualified electricians handle installation and maintenance to minimize these risks. Fire hazards. While less common, the possibility of fire exists. Overheating of the transformer or a short circuit can potentially ignite nearby flammable materials. Regularly inspecting the wiring and ensuring proper ventilation are essential precautions. Gas hazards. Neon signs utilize inert gases like neon, argon, or krypton. These gases are generally not hazardous, but improper handling or breakage can release small amounts of gas into the air. Good ventilation is key to ensuring proper air circulation and minimizing any potential gas buildup. Environmental impact. While neon itself is not a toxic substance, the disposal of old neon signs requires careful consideration. Improper disposal can release harmful chemicals into the environment. It's crucial to responsibly recycle or dispose of old neon signs through qualified waste management services. Now, let's weigh the safety concerns against the advantages. Unique aesthetic. Neon signs offer a distinct visual appeal that sets them apart from other lighting options. Their vibrant glow and customizable designs add a unique touch to any space. Durability. When properly installed and maintained, neon signs can last for decades, making them a long-term investment. Energy efficiency. While not as energy efficient as modern LEDs, neon signs are relatively energy efficient compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. Low maintenance. Once installed, neon signs require minimal maintenance beyond occasional cleaning. So, how can you ensure the safe use of neon signs? Choose a reputable installer. Select a qualified electrician experienced in handling high-voltage systems. Regular inspections. Schedule regular inspections to identify and address any potential issues with wiring or the tubing. Proper ventilation. Ensure adequate ventilation around the sign to prevent overheating and gas buildup. Safe disposal. When disposing of old signs, use a qualified waste management service that handles hazardous materials responsibly. Neon signs undoubtedly offer a unique and captivating aesthetic. However, it's crucial to prioritize safety during their installation, use, and disposal. By following these guidelines and working with qualified professionals, you can enjoy the beauty and longevity of neon signs while minimizing potential risks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.